Have you ever turned on the lights at night, only to see a spider chilling in the corner? Or worse, ants marching across your kitchen like they own the place? These little creatures may not pay rent, but they seem to think our homes are their own personal all-inclusive resorts. It doesn't spark joy, does it? What if I told you that keeping bugs out of your home doesn't have to be a constant battle? Today I'm sharing 10 effortless, yes, effortless, ways to keep bugs away. Using tricks that work smarter, not harder, will restore peace and harmony to your home and send those creepy crawlies packing. And trust me, you've never heard of tip number 7. It's a game changer, and honestly, a little weird. Stick around because by the end of this video, your home will be a bug-free sanctuary. Let's dive in. Bugs don't magically appear, they sneak in through cracks, vents, and gaps you don't even know exist. But don't worry, a little detective work is all it takes to seal their entry points. Grab a flashlight and inspect areas around windows, doors, baseboards, and even electrical outlets. Look closely, my friend. You'll be shocked how many bug highways exist. Use clear caulk to seal any cracks or gaps you find. For doors and windows, apply weather stripping to create a tight seal. And here's a pro tip: use peppermint oil-infused caulk. They won't even think of crossing the threshold. Remember, a well-sealed home is a happy home, free from uninvited six-legged guests. Nature has your back, or should I say, your home. Some plants don't just smell amazing, they're a total turn-off for bugs. Take basil, for instance. It repels flies and mosquitoes with its refreshing scent. Imagine enjoying a meal on your patio, surrounded by the aroma of basil, while those pesky mosquitoes buzz away in defeat. And then, there's lavender, the queen of calm. Its soothing scent brings tranquility to us but sends chills down the exoskeletons of those unwelcome bugs. Place a few pots of lavender by your windows and let its calming presence deter those unwanted visitors. Don't forget about chrysanthemums. These cheerful flowers are packed with pyrethrin, a natural insecticide that bugs absolutely despise. Decorate your home and bug-proof it. Now that's what I call multitasking. Ever wonder why bugs swarm your porch light like moths to a flame? It's not just brightness, it's the color temperature that attracts them. Swap out cool-tone bulbs for warmer yellow or amber lights. These warmer hues are less appealing to bugs, making your home less of a beacon for those nighttime nuisances. You'll instantly see fewer winged visitors buzzing around your lights. And here's another illuminating tip: motion sensor lights. They only turn on when needed, which means less time for bugs to gather and more energy saved. Less time on, fewer bugs. Choose your lights wisely and let there be bug-free light. Now this might sound obvious, but here's where most people go wrong. It's not just about cleaning, it's how you clean that makes all the difference in keeping those pesky bugs at bay. Ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the power of natural cleaners. Vinegar and lemon, a dynamic duo in the fight against bugs, will leave your surfaces sparkling clean and smelling wonderfully fresh. Mix equal parts vinegar and water, add a splash of lemon juice, and wipe down countertops, tables, and any other surfaces where bugs might dare to tread. Wipe pet food bowls daily, removing any tempting crumbs or spills that might attract unwanted six-legged diners. Remember, a clean home is a bug-free home. Prepare to be amazed, my friends, because I'm about to introduce you to a secret weapon in the battle against bugs: Diatomaceous earth. This unassuming powder may look like flour, but don't let its appearance fool you. It's a microscopic bug destroyer, a silent assassin that will send shivers down their exoskeletons. Made from fossilized diatoms, tiny aquatic creatures, Diatomaceous earth works its magic by dehydrating bugs, effectively turning them into dust. Simply sprinkle this magical powder around baseboards, behind appliances, and anywhere else those creepy crawlies like to hide. But here's the best part. Diatomaceous earth is non-toxic to humans and pets. Once those unsuspecting bugs crawl across this powdery barrier, their days are numbered. So embrace the power of Diatomaceous earth and let it become your secret weapon in maintaining a bug-free sanctuary. Let's face it, sometimes those pesky bugs are persistent, even with our best efforts to deter them. But don't despair, my friends. We can outsmart them with a touch of ingenuity and a dash of DIY spirit. Let's turn our homes into bug traps, ensuring they check in but never check out. First on our list of homemade traps is the classic fruit fly trap. Grab a jar, any jar will do, and pour in some apple cider vinegar. The sweet, fermented scent is irresistible to fruit flies. Now cover the jar with plastic wrap and secure it with a rubber band. Using a toothpick, poke a few small holes in the plastic wrap, just big enough for those tiny flies to enter. And voila! They'll fly in, attracted by the sweet aroma, but they won't be able to resist the lure of the vinegar, and they'll meet their demise. Next up, we're tackling those creepy, crawly cockroaches. These unwelcome guests are not only unsightly but can also pose health risks. Mix equal parts sugar and baking soda. The sugar acts as a lure, while the baking soda is our secret weapon. Sprinkle this mixture in areas where you've seen cockroach activity, and watch as their numbers dwindle. Are you ready for the most unexpected, some might even say bizarre bug-repelling tip you've ever heard? Brace yourselves, my friends, because this one involves an item you'd typically find in your laundry room dryer sheets. Yes, you heard that right. Those fragrant sheets that soften our clothes and leave them smelling fresh also possess a secret power. They repel bugs. I know, it sounds too good to be true, but trust me on this one. Dryer sheets contain linalool, a naturally occurring compound found in lavender and basil, which we already know are potent bug repellents. Bugs can't stand the scent of linalool, even when it's emanating from a humble dryer sheet. Tuck dryer sheets into areas where bugs like to congregate, such as under sinks, behind furniture, and even inside your couch cushions. Your couch will smell fresh, and those pesky bugs will be looking for a new place to hang out. Who knew that something as simple as a dryer sheet could be such a powerful weapon in our quest for a harmonious, bug-free home? We live in an age of technological marvels where innovation knows no bounds. So it's no surprise that even the battle against bugs has gone high-tech. Today, we have an arsenal of smart tech gadgets that use cutting-edge technology to repel those pesky insects and reclaim our homes from their clutches. Let's start with smart bug zappers, the futuristic cousins of those traditional bug zapping lights we all know and hate. These sleek and sophisticated devices use UV light to attract bugs and then zap them with a high-voltage electric shock. But here's where the smart comes in. These zappers can be synced to your phone, providing you with real-time data on bug activity and even allowing you to control them remotely. Next up, we have ultrasonic devices, small but mighty gadgets that emit high-frequency sound waves that are inaudible to humans and pets, but incredibly annoying to bugs. These sound waves disrupt their nervous systems, making them disoriented and uncomfortable, effectively driving them away from your home. Place these devices strategically in bedrooms, living areas, and even garages, and enjoy a bug-free zone, all thanks to the power of sound. Smart tech takes care of everything, leaving you free to enjoy the comfort and tranquility of your bug-free sanctuary. Essential oils, the fragrant extracts of plants that have been used for centuries for their therapeutic properties, also possess a secret weapon they can send bugs packing. These potent oils contain natural compounds that bugs find repulsive, making them a safe and effective alternative to harsh chemical repellents. Eucalyptus oil, with its strong camphor-like aroma, is a formidable foe against mosquitoes, flies, and even ants. Tea tree oil, known for its antiseptic and antifungal properties, is another potent bug repellent, effectively deterring spiders, ants, and even fleas. Mix a few drops of your chosen essential oil with water in a spray bottle, and apply to areas where bugs are commonly found, such as windowsills, doorways, and baseboards. So embrace the power of essential oils and create a bug-free sanctuary that not only looks and feels clean, but also smells divine. Our homes are our sanctuaries, our havens from the hustle and bustle of the outside world. But even the most pristine and well-maintained homes can fall victim to a bug invasion if the surrounding environment is a welcoming haven for those pesky critters. Remember, my friends, our yards play a crucial role in keeping bugs at bay. Think of your yard as a buffer zone, a first line of defense against those six-legged invaders. A well-maintained yard is less appealing to bugs, making it less likely for them to venture inside your home. Start by trimming bushes and shrubs, especially those close to your house. Overgrown vegetation provides the perfect hiding spot for bugs, giving them easy access to your windows and doors. Regular mowing not only keeps your yard looking neat and tidy, but also discourages bugs from setting up camp. Check for any areas where water might collect, such as clogged gutters, empty pots, or even children's toys left outside. Remember, a well-maintained yard is a less inviting target for bugs. There you have it. 10 effortless ways to kick bugs out without breaking a sweat or your wallet. Remember, creating a bug-free home doesn't have to be a daunting task. By incorporating these simple yet effective tips into your routine, you can create a harmonious and peaceful living space, free from those unwelcome six-legged guests. Which tip surprised you the most? Was it the dryer sheet hack? Or perhaps the power of diatomaceous earth? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to know. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. We've got more home hacks that will blow your mind coming up next week. Until then, my friends, embrace the joy of a bug-free home, and remember, a tidy home is a happy home, free from clutter and those pesky critters.